Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Goodnotes and Notability. Starting with Goodnotes, you will find it offers a comprehensive array of tools designed specifically for handwriting and drawing enthusiasts. It is a user-friendly interface, makes it easy to navigate even for those new to digital note-taking. One of the standout features of Goodnotes is its extensive customization options, allowing you to tailor your note-taking experience to your liking. Whether it is choosing different pen types and colors, adjusting line thickness, or selecting from a variety of paper templates, Goodnotes gives you the flexibility to create notes that suit your style and preferences. Beyond basic note-taking, Goodnotes excels in its ability to handle PDF documents. You can import PDFs directly into the app and annotate them with ease. This makes Goodnotes a valuable tool for students, professionals, and anyone who frequently works with documents. The app also supports handwriting recognition, converting your handwritten notes into editable text, which can be a time-saving feature for those who prefer typing over writing. Transitioning to Notability, you will notice its standout feature, seamless integration of audio recording with note-taking. This functionality is particularly useful for students attending lectures or professionals in meetings. With Notability, you can record audio while taking notes, and the app automatically synchronizes the audio. This makes it easy to review the discussion later, as you can simply tap on a word in your notes to jump to the corresponding point in the audio recording. Notability also offers robust organization features, such as the ability to search handwritten notes. This can be invaluable when you need to quickly locate specific information within your notes. Additionally, the app allows you to create outlines which can help you structure your notes and thoughts more effectively. Starting with Goodnotes, it will give you access to a feature-rich note-taking app with powerful handwriting and drawing tools, along with robust PDF annotation capabilities. Transitioning to Notability introduces you to seamless audio recording integration, advanced organization features, and the ability to search handwritten notes. By exploring both apps, you can find the one that best suits your specific note-taking needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.